But you see there's a bike there with the sponge. We're here in Kingston again, yeah. The road to London, the River Thames. I need to make it because we didn't last time, just made it near that Chiswick area. It's time to get to where we can't fly our drone anymore. Look, we are here, going up the Thames and making it to this circle, yeah. This is about Fulham area, London. Yes. But right now, it seems like it's going my way a bit, but it's around 2 p.m. I've done my research. The tides are against me. And so I've got to wake up at 5 a.m. It's getting freezing these days as well. And make it. Come on.
New Alex's Adventures car is all good. That'll help us out here and there. Like when I take the kayak sticking out the boot, but I manage it. So I'm in Surbiton and it's time to start off. It's 5:30 a.m. Yes, we made it.
Here we are. That's it. Walking the kayak to the Thames. Sorry, to London. So we're here. Gone to London, yeah? So it's my friend here is backing me up with the bike, filming. I've got the kayak. It's like a three-person thing, but I'll just do it on my own. Then we've got the pump, we've got stuff, we better do it. Let's get on the river. Ooh, careful. Yeah. Yeah, man. There you go. See you when the sun rises. London. See you in a bit, yeah? Thanks for the angles. We're kayaking all day for the YouTube. Yes, wish me luck. Bye bye. Paddington Lock. So I get on the land, I get over there, Richmond Lock's another one, and we're off. I think I hear a hiss in my kayak. I think there might be slow puncture. We just better make it. It's to the walls, yeah, or else I'd be like sinking. I'll wear this so I can have the GoPro attached to it. Oh man, let's go. So every now and then I'll pump it up. I'm committed to getting this done.
as you can see. So every now and then top up. I hope nothing else bad happens, you know, and I hope I don't sink. Is everything alright? I just dropped my phone. I'm checking if the camera's even working. Right, Richmond lock. Richmond Riverside. Yes, we're here 6 miles in. I gotta top up this air, but I think I can be alright with it being flat. Just the walls. I'm still motivated. I'm just gonna do this, you know. I think 6 miles in 3 hours. It's good that we left early. Last time we left at 11:30, but can you hear this? Oh, mate. Yeah, so parking up on that beach, coming up that stairs for a little break. So I'm here and I'm a third of the way. I'm 8 miles in, kayaking 8 miles. It's quite hard. I didn't even have anything to support like my back and punctured walls. What am I doing? Wish me the best. Just, I need all the luck I can get. So the bottom bit puncturing just means I've just got a big piece of plastic in the middle of the river. My phone would break. If I have the GoPro, I don't think it would break. It's just my phone, whatever. So ready for anything. Chiswick Bridge. Hammersmith Bridge, coming up to Putney.
Wait, let me calm down.
I'm gonna come in for a bit. Hello, we're about to be in Putney. That's Hammersmith Bridge there. Oh, wait. Can you... Everything's going all right, except for the punctured walls.
but then I'm just lying down and just hoping this doesn't puncture here. But I've got nothing here. Made it to London, so I've cycled, kayaked 15 miles. Yeah! London, come on, what's this? Yeah! Come on, London! Was that all good?
That was good, that was good.
Let's see that.